Are you starting in photography and wanted to find a tripod that's sturdy and strong without the massive price tag? Then this might be one worth looking at. It has the clamp style clips that I personally prefer, the twisty system clamps. You find on other tripods you can never be sure if they're all secure, but the clamp system is faster and more secure in my opinion. One thing I do like about this tripod, it has the 2 center columns that go really high. So the max height of this tripod can reach is 76.8 inches. This tripod also comes with the Swiss quick release plate, which are quick and easy to put on and take off. These Swifts are very universal, which means you can work with so many different styles of ball heads. Quite surprisingly, this tripod is very sturdy. I have no problems using my expensive cameras on this one. It comes with a very cool carry bag, which is also padded as well. One of the legs has the soft foam handle grip. It does feel a little bit cheapy though. So here's that clamp system on the legs again. These don't feel that premium, they still will last you a long time if you use them nicely. Now back to the ball head, it has a dedicated panning knob. The ball head itself is kind of smooth, but I have felt worse. Let me step back a little to show you the full leg extensions. As you can see, it's fast, and when those clips are locked down, you kind of know that you're very secure. Here you can see how high it really goes, and I'm 6 foot even. As a phone tripod, you can't go wrong. It works just as good for any content creators using their phones. It actually does look nice with the phone on there. It sort of suits it. Now, using your phone to record, I will demonstrate how smooth the panning on this ball head really is. You can also go vertical with your cameras to record those TikTok videos or shorts. The ball head is great for all your creative shots. Quick release plate, smooth panning, any directional view you'll want for your photos or your videos. Now for vlogging, it's also great to hold it from the padded area, which makes it really easy to hold. Now for a surprising extra that this tripod has, is one of the legs can detach so you can use it as a monopod. So the tripod does come with the extra screw that you can use to attach the ball head to the leg. This part does come with the tripod, so you can unscrew the leg and unscrew the ball head. Simple, easy and fast without carrying a different stand or multiple stands on your shoots. So having a tripod that turns into a monopod, I mean, how cool is that? And you do also get a wrist strap. So it's great using the monopod when you're moving around a lot, and you can also use the monopod for vlogging, which makes it a lot easier. It is kind of lightweight, but I will weigh it and put the weight somewhere around here. Now this is how you fold it up into its smallest form. Release one section of the center column and fold up the legs. So you can store it in its own bag that it comes with, or just simply put it over your shoulder. Two more things about this tripod is you'll get a hook underneath the center column. This is used to weigh down your tripod during a windy day to steady your shots. And the feet are rubber and not removable. Like I mentioned before, it's 76.8 inches maximum height, lightweight aluminium alloy design, portable and travel friendly size, compatible with cameras and phones and anything else you want to put on the tripod, even lights, because it does go really high. The 360 ball head is smooth. and it's really good if you want to take those panoramic shots or if you want to pan in your video recording. So ideal for videographers and photographers. It's easy to set up and adjust. You can use it for outdoors or indoors, stable for lightweight camera setup. Great for travel, vlogging and content creators. And like I said before, the build quality is really good. Hard plastics all over, plus the aluminum body. Yeah, it just seems like it's made really well. And the pros about this is it's tall, it's portable, versatile, beginner friendly, and it comes with so many features for the price that you're paying. The cons for this, well, if you're using it for travel, which is, it's okay, it packs away pretty small, but the thing is, it might be just a little bit too heavy, and I wouldn't use it for heavy professional gear. Now, where I got this is from Temu. The link will be in the description down below. I've also included a link from Amazon. It's the same tripod with different company names. But if you're after a small desktop tripod that's very well built and great quality, you might want to check this one out. And if you did come this far, please consider liking the video, commenting down below and subscribing to the channel. I would really appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next one.